Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you me installing the chin mount to my helmet. I've been talking about making a review of my helmet while I ride, so I need a mount for it before I can like ride and record. I hope you understand that. So I've been looking around on the internet to find like the best mount. And since I live in the European Union, there's not like a lot of companies selling good mounts as far as my research go. So I did find chin mount in North America. So I got my family in the US to order one for me and bring it back home. And then I can show you guys how to install it. I did get my GoPro new one, so I'm gonna be mounting that onto the chin mount. So yeah, I think we should just jump straight into the video where I unpack this. I just covered the address. That's it. So yeah, and I guess they just checked if everything was there before they took it to Europe. Yeah, so I think we should unpack this one and see what's in the box or the envelope. So I'll just take that out and then we'll have a look at that. Alright, this is what comes with it. I did order their action pack, so that comes it comes with a lot of different mounts. So yeah, we'll have a deeper look into that. But the actual mount is this one. It has a like securing mechanism, so like if your GoPro falls off, I guess this is gonna catch it or something. But yeah, we'll have a look on that. I'm not sure how it 100% works, but I have an idea of it. And then the actual mount with the also with the adhesive 3M. If you guys don't know, these mounts are specifically designed for the helmet to like fit perfectly on the chin. That's why I call it chin mount. This mount is specifically designed for these NEXX helmets. Yeah. So I think we should start by unpacking this one and try to mount it onto the helmet. Yeah. And then we can have a look at the other things I ordered. I did order their WindGuard Pro, which is like to reduce wind noise on video. So I'm also gonna make a video where I test this out, so you can hear what difference it makes when you ride and record. So yeah, that's gonna be a nice video. Just want to test it out for you guys so you know if it's a buy or yeah, if it's worth it. So I know there is some wind noise reduction settings on the GoPro, but as far as I could see on the line, that it doesn't really reduce like all of the wind noise. So this is a good choice. I think, and I hope so, but we'll find out in that video. Right now, we're gonna be unboxing this one and unmounted to the helmet. So yeah, let's jump into that. All right, so I just took all the things out of the Ziploc bag. I just quickly want to mention that the quality is it's really nice, and you get some stickers with it. So you can really see that they put an effort into this company and product. I just read the manual just to be 100% sure how I do this. So the first thing that you're gonna do is taking the wet wipe and take the spot where the chin mount goes, and then wipe it with a dry wipe that also comes with it, and then before taking the adhesive cover off, the 3M, then you will take your helmet like this, and then try to like test out the position of the chin mount. So like if I take mine right here, it's supposed to go like right here. So I can feel that it's pretty flush. I did try to turn it around and it doesn't feel really flush the same way. So putting it on like this feels really good, and I also checked on the website. That's how it's supposed to go on my helmet, but I cannot say for sure about your helmet. But again, they do recommend you going on their website and checking before putting it on. So I'm gonna take the wet wipe and afterwards the dry one, and wipe the area clean. After that, and I'm sure that is 100% dry, I will take off the cover for the adhesive, and I will be using a hair dryer for about 5 to 10 seconds so it's warm, not smoking hot, and then applying it to the place that it's supposed to go. So that's what we're gonna be doing now. I'm gonna cut through the part where I use the wet and dry wipes. I think you guys can manage that by yourself, but I'll cut straight to the part where we remove the cover of the adhesive and heat it up so it's warm, not smoking hot, and applying it to the desired place on the helmet. So yeah, let's jump into that part. All right, everybody, I'm back. I wiped the area where the chin mount is going to go clean with a wet wipe. So now I'm just going to remove the adhesive cover and heat it up with my hair dryer. I just checked the website to be extra sure about where it's going to be going, and I actually found out that it was supposed to be turned like 180 degrees. So yeah, look at that. Remember to check the website. Even though it really felt like it was supposed to go on like this, it is actually supposed to go on like this, and I kind of feel it when I put it like a bit further down here, more than the other one, but still feels like pretty similar. So, but yeah, just remember to check the website before applying it. But it's clean now, and I'm gonna be removing the cover. So there it goes, peeling it off. Yeah, and again, don't overheat this. Just heat it so it's warm. For like 5 to 10 seconds, the manual says. So yeah, right about that would be fine. And then remember to put it the correct way, and of course align it how you want it to be. Just press it in. Yep, like that. I'm just gonna check if it's all aligned. Yep, I think it is. Maybe press a bit on the edges of it too. Just gonna be checking if it's all aligned. Yeah. Right about there. I would say it's yeah, I would say it's pretty aligned. Seems to be pretty strong on there. So yeah, remember it says in the manual that you should leave it on for like if you do apply heat on it, it should be left on for let me see, 24 hours before you like use your camera on it. It actually says do not attach your action camera right away after 24 hours. So yeah, wait a bit with that. But yeah, I'm gonna be returning in 24 hours just to be 100% sure that it's on correctly and sits there. So yeah, that's it for this part. I think we should move on to attaching the safety tether to the on the side here. I think mine is going to be going around here or somewhere I feel, yeah, it's good. So yeah, I'm just going to be figuring out where it's going to be going, and then I'm going to be right back and adding it to it. But it's basically the same thing. So yeah, with the adhesive. So going to be skipping to that part. All right, so before we add the safety tether, I would just quickly go through what chin mount add to this action pack. So yeah, just gonna be pouring it out here. A lot of different mounts and extenders for the GoPro. Yeah, just a lot of different stuff that you would yeah, maybe might come in handy. So yeah, extras of these. You can also use them on other GoPro stuff. It just doesn't say GoPro, it says chin mount instead. But yeah, whatever. So yeah, it's just a lot of different accessories to like extend it if you want it in a lower position or something like that. So pretty nice. So yeah, but let's move on to adding the safety tether, which I got right here, to the helmet. Alright, so the safety tether comes like this with a little piece of rope. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be putting this through right here, and you're going to be taking the other end and looping it. Just going to be filming on it so you guys can see what I'm doing. It's pretty awkward to do with one hand. So yeah, that's basically what you want to do, and then you want to have it in a position where let me see, it's gonna be, the thing you're gonna be using is like, I'm just gonna be putting it right on here. Like imagine you have a camera on, but then you would also have that little piece of rope going here on the back. So if the adhesive gets loose and this falls off, then you have a safety tether on it. So what you want to be doing is you're going to be putting it in a position where it's not too loose. In my case, I kind of have the best spot around here. The thing you can also do there, you can just like loop it around when it's first attached, and then just loop it around, and then just have it like this. But yeah, I kind of feel like I want to have it around. I really want to have it more like on the back here, but I kind of feel like I have the best room for it here. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting it around. I actually think I'm gonna align it with this text right here. Then I'm gonna be having it like this, and then all loose. I'm gonna be looping around the bolt here once I get attached the camera. So yeah, I'm just gonna be having it like this, then it's still like kind of safe. And it's not too loose, so yeah, I think I'm gonna be going with that. So yeah, let's move on to the adhesive. Alright guys, so you're gonna be peeling off the cover of the adhesive again, just like I did with the chin mount. This one is a bit annoying. Maybe it's just me. I ain't got no nails for this. Alright, here it comes. So yep. And then just take your hair dryer, and again, not for too long, just 5 to 10 seconds on low heat. Alright, so then I'm gonna align it with, try to align it with the text. I'm gonna be putting it right around there. Well, I think that's a pretty good spot for it. I mean, you don't have to add this, but I feel like it's a nice extra safety. So I'm just gonna be going with it. I mean, I don't mind. But yeah, it sticks like really fast to the helmet. So don't really place it nice the first time, because I think it's gonna be hard to get off even now. But remember to let it sit for like 24 hours before you take it out on the road and use it. So yeah, I'm just gonna be back in. I think I'm gonna be doing a test ride with it. Yeah, so that's first gonna be in 24 hours, but I guess this is gonna be it for the video. I think I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos in the coming weeks, hopefully months, whatever the summer length of the summer is gonna be. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. But yeah, and of course, I'm thinking I'm gonna be making a separate video about the Wind Guard Pro from Chin Mount 2, because that's kind of like out of this category. This is primarily adding the mount to the helmet, and this is basically just a cover for the helmet to reduce wind noise, but that's going to be a separate video for itself. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. See you in the next one.